Welcome back to Drift and Drive, where we bring you the hottest rides and cutting-edge tech from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a game-changer in the EV space, a car that's breaking records and turning heads up. It's the Tesla Model S Plaid. This isn't just any electric car, this is the fastest production sedan in the world, packed with over 1,000 horsepower and mind-blowing acceleration. So, buckle up as we take a closer look at what makes the Model S Plaid a true beast on the road. The Tesla Model S Plaid is a car that redefines performance and innovation in the electric vehicle space. This sedan packs an extraordinary amount of power with its tri-motor setup, producing over 1,000 horsepower. The result? A 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars ever made. But it's not just about speed. Tesla has designed the Model S Plaid to be a technological marvel. The interior is futuristic, featuring a yoke steering wheel and a large, cinematic 17-inch touchscreen. This screen controls almost all the vehicle's functions, from climate control to entertainment. The infotainment system supports games, movies, and even web browsing, ensuring that every ride is as enjoyable as it is fast. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving capabilities are present. With its insane power, futuristic design, and cutting-edge tech, the Tesla Model S Plaid is more than just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. Whether you're a speed enthusiast, a tech lover, or just someone looking for the ultimate luxury ever experience, this car delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Tesla Model S Plaid, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Drift and Drive for more epic car reviews and automotive content. Until next time, keep the throttle wide open and enjoy the ride.